Good morning, students. Now we are going to start the mathematics from today. The chapter 3rd is coordinate geometry. You are already familiar with the geometry, in which you have already learned about the point, lines, angles, triangles, quadrilaterals, and so on. In this coordinate geometry is related to geometry in which we will find the position of any point on the plane. What is the plane? Plane is any surface. Suppose this is a plane paper, so this is called plane. Blackboard is also a plane. Any surface, flat surface, is known as plane. So this is the plane. So on plane we can find a position of any point. Suppose this is a table. This is a table in which this is a table on which, suppose this is the point where the lamp is put. So what is the position of this lamp? You are sitting here, another person is sitting here. So you draw the perpendicular from this point and draw the perpendicular from this point to this surface. So this is the length. When you measure this length by scale, that lamp will be called 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter. How many centimeters are there? Here this line. So this lamp is called 3 centimeter from this position, and this is the length, and you measure this one. So this position, this line length will be called the position of this man from this lamp. So this lamp is this distance from this point and this distance from this point. So this position is called not only in one way, but it will say in two ways: this distance and this distance. So this is the called coordinate geometry. It means the position of any point or anything is called in two ways, that is coordinate geometry. So in coordinate geometry, there should be two perpendicular lines. Draw two perpendicular lines. This point is called origin. These perpendicular lines cut each other at the point. This is point O, is called origin, and take equal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are already familiar with the number lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. This is your x-axis. This is your x-axis. And in left-hand side from the origin, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. This is your minus x-axis. So this horizontal line is known as x-axis. From origin, right hand side is positive, and from origin, left hand side is negative. In this perpendicular line, this is y-axis. So take equal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This is called y-axis. The upper side is positive y-axis, and in lower side from the origin, this is your -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like this. So this is the x-axis and y-axis perpendicular cut at the point O, that is called origin, and the origin is called this 0, 0. The position of this point is from this x-axis is 0, and from y-axis is 0. So any point can be find out in this plane with the help of this coordinate axes. These are the called coordinate axes. This x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular, and these are called coordinate axes. And this coordinate axis has 4 parts. This is first part. So this first part is first quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, and this is your third quadrant, and this is your fourth quadrant. This is your fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now see, any point in the first quadrant, when you draw perpendicular to x-axis and perpendicular to y-axis, you will see that this distance is positive for any point. Any point in this first quadrant, when you draw perpendicular to x-axis and perpendicular to y-axis, you will see that the distance is positive on x-axis and y-axis also. This is positive and this is positive. So in first quadrant, on x-axis it is positive, and y is also positive. In second quadrant, x is negative. In this case, x is negative, so this is negative, and y is positive. Y-axis is positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, you see that x is negative. You always say x first. X is negative, and y is also negative. Y is lower side, so it is also negative. So minus. In fourth quadrant, x is positive. In fourth quadrant, you see, you measure x is positive and y is negative. So x is positive and y is negative. So in first quadrant, any point will be positive. First quadrant is negative and second quadrant is positive. In third quadrant, first negative, second negative, x negative, y negative. In fourth, x positive, y negative. So these are the positions in the quadrants. So these are the called axes. These are the called x-axis and y-axis, and first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Thank you. Do first exercise number 1, very easy. 3.1, very easy. You can see yourself.